Welcome, everyone. Today, we are taking a structural look at the blueprint for excellence, navigating the Academies of Loudoun. This presentation is your guide to understanding the pathways within LCPS and figuring out where exactly you or your student truly belongs. To understand the academies, you have to look at the massive Loudoun County Public Schools ecosystem. We have a foundation of over 90 home schools. Whether you are currently sitting in one of our 17 middle schools or one of our 18 high schools, you have a distinct pathway pointing you towards this opportunity for specialized advanced learning. LCPS has several specialized programs like Dual Language Immersion or Health and Medical Sciences Academy, but the Academies of Loudoun stands completely apart from the rest. It is a dedicated center for innovation. It serves as a centralized hub specifically built for science, engineering, and advanced technical mastery. Here is the most important thing you need to take away from this video today. This one centralized campus is actually made up of 3 highly specialized tracks. Choosing the right one isn't about which is the hardest, and it's about identifying how your brain works. Let's break down these 3 distinct identities. First, we have the Academies of Science, or AOS. If you belong here, you are the researcher. AOS is entirely focused on scientific inquiry and research. You want to put on a lab coat, ask why, run experiments, and discover entirely new knowledge. Second, there is the Academies of Engineering and Technology, or AET. Here, you are the builder. AET is about applied engineering, design, and technology. Instead of just asking why, you ask, how can I fix this or build it better? You want to code, prototype, and invent. Finally, we have the Monroe Advanced Technical Academy, or MATA. And if you belong in MATA, you are the practitioner. This track is dedicated to advanced industry trades and actual technical certifications. You want to master a specific hands-on skill today, so you can immediately enter the workforce or a specialized college program. So now, because MATA focuses on creating highly skilled practitioners, its admissions process is completely different from AOS and AET. MATA uses a 100% objective lottery system, so there are no interviews, there are no resumes to submit, and if you meet the basic prerequisites for your desired program, your name goes into a randomized computer draw, where it is then entirely objective and gives every qualified student an equal shot at mastering a trade. Once you've identified your track, you need to know when to act. Application windows are rigidly tied to your current progression in the LCPS ecosystem. If you are currently an 8th grade student, you are only eligible for the fall admission cycle. If you are a current high school student, your window is strictly the winter admission cycle. Identify your grade level and your current cycle now so you don't miss your window. If you feel overwhelmed, remember that you aren't doing this alone. The Office of Admissions is completely dedicated to guiding your family's transition into the Academies of Loudoun, and you can reach out to them directly at the Academies Admissions at lcps.org or call them with this number listed on the screen to explore frequently asked questions, verify your cycle dates, and align your student's pathway. Find your identity, whether it's the researcher, builder, or practitioner, and take your next step. Visit www.academiesprep.com and learn more about our programs. Thank you for your time.